Hello everyone, we're in Salt Lake Tahoe, Cali. I stopped here. I was on my way to Reno. I'm just gonna show you what upgrades I did to my car. It's 2017 Honda Accord. It's a manual transmission vehicle, Honda Accord Sport, front wheel drive. The engine is 2.4, naturally aspirated. It's chain driven. I'm the second owner of the car. I bought the car for $21,500 before taxes and other BS, you know. Now the car has 18,000 miles on it. So we're like end of December 2018. So I'm just gonna show you what I did to the car, what kind of upgrades I did. The previous owner removed the mufflers, so I bought the part with the mufflers, $200 from a scrap yard, and I installed it in like an hour. Because before that, the car was driving like a fart can. It was very rough ride, very loud in the back seats. I think the philosophy of Honda about this vehicle is that it's a nice, elegant, smooth, sleek vehicle, family sedan. Some people would like to black out the roof or the back spoiler, but that's what that's what Toyota, Lexus does that, BMW on some of their cars. But I think the car looks good as it is. I just did the upgrades that are not gonna make it look too, you know, I don't know, ridiculous, I would say. Alright, so the first thing I did are the front underbody spoilers. These here, they're around $350 online, but I found a deal on Amazon for $240 with shipping and tax included. You got to remove the whole bumper, front bumper. There's drilling, 3M tape there that you have to do, and then it takes around 2 hours to install it. So the other thing that I did, license plate cover, slightly tinted, because they're really dark ones online. $15 or $20 for the front and the rear. And then the frame, I got the white. You also have the black, but I think the white looks good with the car. $25 for the front and the rear. I believe it's aluminum or steel, I'm not really sure. And then the next thing that I didn't change any lights. The wheels, I believe they came with the wheel locks, you know, the safety lock, whatever, so they don't get kind of stolen. I think so. And then the next thing that I did to the car is the HFP Honda Factory Performance Suspension. Honda did everything, you know, installing it, all that. I didn't touch that. When you buy the whole FHP package, Honda Factory Performance Package, you also get these emblems, one on each side and one in the back on the trunk. That one is a bigger one. But I didn't got these because I only got the suspension. So you can buy these for $25 on eBay. 2 of them, one on each side. Then what next? Oh, I bought these blind spot mirrors. I believe they're called 360 view from Amazon, around $20–25. I prefer a vehicle, you know, where visually I can see things. I don't rely a lot on sensors, you know, or other BS like lane departure, brake assist, whatever. So I prefer these. They're around $15 or $25, I don't remember, from Amazon. Very easy to install. The main reason I bought this car is because it doesn't have a touchscreen in it like any other vehicle. If I find you need a touchscreen, I'll just mount a tablet, you know, or all these sensors that actually car drives you, not the other way around. This car is manual transmission, so it's even better. It's not automatic. I can't stand automatics. All right, the next thing that was done to the car is the tint, ceramic tint. 5% here on the windshield. Then 40% here, or 50, 5%, 5%, and then 5% here. The ceramic tint cost me around $300–400. It took the tint shop around 2 hours to do it. Make sure when you do, you know, when you apply something with a 3M tape, you know, or you do the tint, or you're using a 3M tape outside, you know, or inside the vehicle, that it's around 70 or 75 Fahrenheit, or around maybe 20–25 Celsius, because it's gonna, you know, bond better, you know, the 3M tape. Then I got these WeatherTech window deflectors, visors, whatever, $150 from, you know, online. I don't know, you can find them anywhere. I got this small, I would say, I don't know, spoiler, whatever it is. It looks pretty good. It still makes the car look elegant, you know, matches the color. I think it was around $50, Amazon or eBay. Either way, it looks good. Then what I did to the car, the license plate, I already mentioned that. I put this rubber here that I have on my Civic, around $50–$60 from Car ID. It's a really good quality, you know, very nice protection for, you know, when you remove something from the car or something like that. Here's the FHP emblem, the rear one. You can find it on Amazon for between $80 and $90, which is because it's really hard to find. And some companies, there's a guy from Ohio that sells them, I believe. I got this one on sale for $60. eBay gave me some sort of $20 discount, something like that. And then, yeah, like I said, I had to put back the mufflers because the car now sounds better, drives better for me. It saves more fuel, you know, it's more fuel efficient. That's my, you know, conclusion after, you know, driving the car 1 month without, you know, straight pipe, and now with the mufflers. Well, let's see if we forgot something. No, oh yeah, you can put the rear underbody spoilers here, but I don't like them, because if I do that, then I have to remove the mud flaps, and I can't have them, because I don't think you can have the spoiler and this at the same time. And the spoiler is like plastic on top of plastic. I think the car looks good even without that, you know. I think it's just unnecessary $300 that you have to spend to have that. Let's jump to the interior. So I got the door sills, genuine Honda door sills, only the front are illuminated. They cost around $200. I got them for $160 on eBay. Genuine Honda. You can get the cheap ones for $60 or $80 with the rear illuminated. I'm not sure how long those are gonna last. So when it's about something like this, I'm getting the genuine parts from Honda. And then let's jump inside. Oh, I got the WeatherTech floor mats. They're really nice and soft, and they look really nice. I like the way they look. They cover the bottom here, and then they continue on the other side. So this is the back is like just one part. What I did, I also got dashboard cover. It's like some sort of like a special material, whatever. It's still polyester from Car ID. It's custom made, so it perfectly fits, covers the dashboard. I got this dash cam, Winology, GPS and Full HD. I think I didn't need it the 4K, so I just got this one. It does the job. Then I got this rear hazard, illuminated hazard button. It glows in the dark. European and Asian vehicles have this button. The one is the Accords in the States, they only have the black one. So in order to install this, it costs around $50. In order to install this, you got to remove this, this, and then you got to pull the radio. There are videos online, and there are like 2 screws here. It costs around $50. The dashboard cover was around $60 or $70 from Car ID too. I got this on eBay from Thailand for like $50 with shipping included. And then I got the shift knob. It's probably, it's not fully carbon fiber, real carbon fiber. I believe it's aluminum covered with real carbon fiber. And then, you know, we have this resin, this shiny gloss, whatever. Oh, something else. When you apply a part with a 3M double-sided tape, make sure you get this. You get this promoter pen. It's adhesion promoter. It's gonna make the bond between the 3M tape and the part, you know, you're sticking it to, you know, like extremely strong, really good bond, like factory made. I highly recommend this. And then if you remember, if you know, if you've seen Accords, like you have the black piano black here, plastic that gets really dirty all the time. I also ordered the part that covers this. This is a dash kit from I ordered it from Car ID, but it's actually custom ordered from Car ID. It's from Remen. Remen produces this, manufactures this real carbon fiber. This is real carbon fiber sheet. It has a double-sided 3M tape on the other side, and then you have the resin, the glossy thing on this side. When you order, make sure you, even after choosing the trim, you gotta, I recommend, you know, you sit in the vehicle and you check which parts do you need, you know, because there are like so many, you know, and it looks really good. You know, there are so many parts. you know. And I would recommend writing down each piece number that you need, and then you can ask for a quote. And for 44 pieces, I paid around $400. It's a great addition to the vehicle. It looks really nice, really classy. There might be some small adjustments, you know, that you have to do. You know, like I cut this corner because it was like, I don't know, if you know, try to, you know, peel it, maybe it might peel a little bit, so I just curved it a little bit. You know, there's some small adjustment that you might have to do, but the car looks really good. The camera, I connected it, you know, the cables are kind of hidden, and then I connected it behind the cigarette lighter. This is just for me to charge my phone, but I connected the camera behind so it doesn't, I don't have so many, you know, cables here. Let's see. So yeah, make sure you use this promoter pen, adhesion promoter 4298. It helps a lot. The bond is almost like, you know, factory made. You know, it's just incredible how good it is, how good it looks. There are some parts in the back I'll show you. So yeah, there's some parts here, real carbon fiber. And then we have here for the cup holders in the back. You can order this too. The EXL trim, because it has vents here, you can order carbon fiber for around the vents or something like that. So yeah, I think that should be it. The only thing I forgot to tell you is that I'm gonna add tweeters on this sport trim, because this is a Accord Sport. It doesn't have tweeters. I'm gonna buy the garnish, I believe, the plastic. It's with already, you know, a part with holes for the tweeters. The two plastics for both sides are around $50. Tweeters with coilovers. Make sure you have the coilovers or coilovers, something like that, so you can connect them directly to the speaker on the door. Plus with plus, minus with minus. I'm getting Hart speakers, tweeters, which are $150. Both tweeters. They should sound better than the, you know, the Pioneer that Honda uses in the EXL. So yeah, that's the last thing I'm gonna do to the car. And yeah, that should be it. I think the only thing I just need to show you is the rear light. You know, the backup light. I bought the LEDs from Car ID. I don't remember the brand. They were like around $50 or $60, something like that. All right, let me show you that, and that should be probably it. So here how they look like. Looks really nice and cool. Very nice and you know, soft blue. It's not, the car doesn't look like it's a circus, you know, with too many lights and BS on it. So yeah, it looks pretty cool at night, you know, also during the day. It looks really nice. So yeah, I think I said everything. Yeah, and that should be it. Thanks for watching, and yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye.